I officially have the cutest dog of all time. Yes, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, that is my puggle, Ferguson Marley Garcia Dismore. He's in his favorite blanket, which he has now claimed. It's actually my blanket, but he stole it, and it's his favorite. Isn't it your favorite puppy? You're staying in here while I'm doing my exams. Got the tassels in your eyeballs. Oh God, you are so cute. This is Gussie. And pretty soon it'll be the 2-year anniversary of how long we've had you. Yes, I know, my hands smell like Chex Mix. Huh. You are so cute. What's the word of the day, Gus? You don't know what the word of the day is? The word of the day is twitchy eyebrows, because you seriously have some eyebrow going on. Ooh, you hear the garage. So yes, this is my dog. And I just wanted to share his cuteness with you. Mwah.